This is a lovely little tool for children, or if you want to just make braids, you knit around, pulling it through as you go, and you get beautiful braiding for bracelets, necklaces, hair ornaments, etc. It comes with the dolly and an awl so that you can knit with it, and the awl has a cover to keep it protected. Also, the instructions are on the back of the packet with diagrams. First thing to do is to take your yarn and drop it down the centre until it comes out the other end, and then hold the end between your bottom 3 fingers to hold it nice and steady and taut, and then wrap the yarn twice around one hook from the left to the right, again holding it in place with your index finger, and then bring the lower loop over the top loop and over the knitting pin. Take it to the back from the left again, wrap round twice, once, twice, hold it to bring the lower loop over the top loop. From the back again, wrap it round from left to right twice, lower loop over the pin, keeping that in place, making sure you're holding that tail end, bringing that down. From the back, 1, 2, up and over. So now I've been all the way round. I'm now going to go again from the back, just once round, from the left to the right, effectively laying it across the front, up and over. Round the back to the next one, from left to right, up and over. Keeping sure that I'm pulling on the tail end every now and then at the bottom. Round the back from left to right, up and over. And just keep on going round and round, and as you're going, you're creating this little knitted braid which comes out of the bottom. So you keep on going round and round, and as you're doing it, pull on the bottom one, and eventually what will happen is you will see that you've got a little tail of your knitted braid. And you can keep on going with this for as long as you want, to make it as long as you want it to be. And once you've got your braid, you can use it as a bracelet, as a necklace, make hair ornaments or corsages. And you can actually join colours. If I wanted to now change to yellow or blue, I would tie a knot, cut off the thread, tie a knot, and then keep going. But when you get to the colour change, as you did before, do a double round each one, which will hide the knot inside. And to cast off at the end, you cast off just as you do with knitting.